That the movie has been banned by the NTRCB. That came out just a few days ago in one website. Was it banned or it wasn't?
Hala. No, I think it was not the move. The playdate did move because they had an issue with the AF. Yung, ano. So naging A+, as you can see. Ayun, yun lang. So,
it was really meant to be AF and not A+. Because
yes,
I'm stupid. I saw it first as AF. It was meant to be
it was AF, yes.
Okay.
So yun, yung ano, may na-ex siya and all that. But, you know, hey, we're here.
It's been a while since the film was first shown, and I understand through like festival circuit first, kaya ngayon lang siya pinalabas dito. So, how does it feel that parang mahaba yung journey ng film from making it and now in 2024 exhibiting it? Wow.
Ako, I watched the film twice kasi I first watched it in Italy for the Far East Film Festival, and sobrang tuwang-tuwa ang community doon. Sobrang gandang-ganda sila sa film. And napanood ko rin siya nung Cinemalaya opening, Cinemalaya 2023. And I remember feeling na parang, wow, sana mapanood to ng mga Pinoy kasi ang ganda ng film talaga. It's a gem. And sobrang galing ni Director. Oo. Kasi I really believe in the film. Yes, the topic is, you know, heavy and it tackles real issues, but ang pagkagawa kasi ng film is dark comedy. So there are a lot of comedy moments. So ngayon, happy kami and excited. Todo promote kami. Pumunta kami sa Pride March. Pumunta kami, ako sa OPAR. Nag-perform at nagprotesto ng poster. Kasi gusto ko talaga mapanood ng mga Pinoy ito. Kasi I feel like sobrang matutuwa sila sa pelikula. And excited kami, sana panoorin nila sa mga sa cinemas. Dami nating kalaban natin si Joy ng Inside Out. Daming fans.
Yung mga aliens.
Tsaka mga aliens. Sana po kami, mga totoong tao, mga Pinoy, panoorin nyo. Ayun.